Let's factorize the following question. Question number 1 says x squared minus 4. We can rewrite x squared minus 4 as x squared minus 2 raised to power 2. We have not changed anything because 2 raised to power 2 is the same thing as 4, that is 2 times 2. From here we apply the difference of 2 squared, which say that when two numbers have the same square and there is negative in between them, example, we have a squared minus b squared. Both of them are carrying square square and there is minus in between them. All we need to do, we pick what? A minus b, you open bracket and pick a plus b. Like applying difference of 2 square now, that means when we have x squared minus 2 raised to power 2, then our final answer will be what? X minus 2. You open bracket and pick x plus 2. I hope you understand. Question number 2. We are given 4x squared minus 9x squared. We can rewrite this following expression as 2 raised to power 2 x squared, because 2 raised to power 2 give us 4, minus 3 raised to power 2 y squared, because 3 raised to power 2 still means 3 times 2. Then you can see both of them are having 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and there is minus in between them. We apply the difference of 2 squared, which say that when we have a squared minus b squared, you open your bracket and put a minus b, close bracket, open bracket, a plus b. Since both of them are having square square, what we are going to do, we are going to pick open bracket 4x, open bracket 2x minus 3y, you close, you open another bracket, 2x plus 3y, you close. By doing this, we have factorized 4x squared minus 9x squared to be equals to what? 2x minus 3y, open bracket, 2x plus 3y. Let's move to the third question. The third question says we should factorize 1 minus 1 all over x squared. We can rewrite this expression as 1 squared, because 1 squared is still the same thing as 1 times 1, minus 1 squared all over x squared. We can rewrite this as what? 1 squared minus, open bracket, 1 all over x, close bracket, all raised to power 2. The 2 is for both 1 and x. Then we apply the difference of 2 squared. Since both of them are having square square and there is minus in between them, we open our bracket and put 1 minus 1 all over x. We close it, we open it again and put 1 plus 1 all over what? X. And that becomes the factorization of what? 1 minus 1 all over x squared. I hope you understand. Thank you. Number 4. We are asked to factorize 1 minus x squared. We can rewrite this expression as 1 squared minus x squared, because 1 times 1 is still 1. We have not changed anything. We apply the difference of 2 squared, which is going to be what? 1 minus x, close bracket, open bracket, 1 plus x, and that is the factorization of this expression. Until I come your way next time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye for now.